Yes, welcome to our channel. Let us discuss the verb chapter, exercise of verb chapter and kinds of verb. First exercise, mark the transitive and intransitive verbs in the following sentences. Name the object of each transitive verb. If transitive, if the sentence used transitive verb, then object, then we note down the object also. If the verb is intransitive, there is no object. First, Mr. Sharma runs a hotel. Here, runs is transitive verb, object a hotel. Mice have eaten away all the corn. Have eaten is transitive verb, object all the corn. Grass grows fast. Grows is intransitive verb, there is no object. She bought a green hat, sorry. Bought transitive verb, object a green hat. Next one is he carried a comb in his pocket. Carried is transitive verb, object a comb. He runs fast. Runs intransitive verb, there is no object in this sentence. The farmer killed a snake. Killed transitive verb, object a snake. The rain stopped long ago. Stopped intransitive verb, there is no object. The sun sets in the west. Sets intransitive verb, there is no object. She enjoyed her vacation. Enjoyed transitive verb, object her vacation. Next exercise, complete the following by supplying suitable objects. Okay. First, the boy flew a kite. A driver drives a car. He smelt the flowers. She spoke the truth. She helps her mother. She sent him a letter. The man pulled the rope. Mr. Rao teaches us English. She wrote a story. The cook tasted the soup. He has grown a beard. The boy opened the door. My friend brought me a gift. I know the answer. The king gave a prize to the winner. Next exercise, circle the direct and indirect, underline the indirect object in the following sentences. I have my friend a book. Indirect object friend, direct object book. My friends bought me presents. Indirect object me, direct object presents. She forgave me for coming late. Indirect object me, direct object forgiving. I told him the news. Indirect object him, direct object news. He lent a jacket to his friend. Indirect object his friend, direct object jacket. She sent him a letter. Indirect him, direct letter. Grandmother told us a story. Grandmother told us a story. Indirect us, direct story. They offered me a job. Indirect me, direct object job. He conveyed me your message. Indirect me, direct message. He owed us 200 rupees. Indirect us, direct 200 rupees. Next exercise, underline the verbs in these sentences. State whether they are transitive with T, intransitive with I, or incomplete with P. He wasted his time in idle talk. Verb wasted, indirect. Oh, sorry, transitive. The story sounds interesting. Verb sounds intransitive. She enjoyed her vacation. Verb enjoyed transitive. The dog looks dangerous. Verb looks transitive. Sorry, intransitive. She seems unhappy today. Verb seems intransitive. My grandfather has grown old. Verb has grown intransitive. She feels happy because of her success. Verb feels intransitive. A lion appeared from behind the bushes. Verb appeared is intransitive. She spoke in a high voice. Verb spoke intransitive. We missed the bus. Verb missed transitive. Rani is guilty of eating the entire cake. Verb is linking. Guilty is complement. The bus stopped suddenly. Verb stopped transitive. The farmer grows potatoes in his field. Verb grow transitive. She felt raindrops on her cheeks. Verb felt transitive. Orange grow in the some parts of India. Verb grow transitive. Exercise number 5. Select gerunds, infinitive, and participles in the following sentences. After the party, cleaning was my job. Cleaning gerund. He has a pleasing personality. Pleasing present participle. We watched him helping the poor. Helping present participle. I love to speak English. To speak infinitive. Reading is the habit of intelligent. Reading gerund. My mother used cooking oil to cook dinner. Cooking gerund, to cook infinitive. He got hurt while playing football. Playing gerund. He writes to earn his living. To earn infinitive. He has a bad habit of smoking. Smoking gerund. They were a bit late to join us. To join infinitive. That's all. Thank you.